AI is obviously the hot topic these days. But what are you learning at Califia about AI that other leaders can apply to their own business?
Oh, you learn something every day. In fact, I literally just came from a meeting where we were talking about AI. I think what we've tried to do with AI in our company is the first place we put it was on productivity tools. So our supply chain team. We've had a mantra here, and it's easy. We don't, the size of our company it allows me to do this, but we said we're not going to use AI to replace you. We're going to use AI to make you better. And what that has done is it's removed the barrier of fear, and it's enabled everyone. So we put ChatGPT, Copilot on every single person's computer. We have coffee work sessions on how people can share what they've done. And I think we've reinforced that we're here to use it to make us all better. Now, it may prevent us from the need to hire someone in the future, but I think we've tried, that I would say, is we've tried to create a culture around AI that is one of safe space, where I can look at and research how AI can help my job and not worry about it taking my job.
Yeah. So how do you do that when AI can be so productive and save time? I mean, how can you really say that to someone?
Because it's easy in a growth company. Because when you're growing 20% a year, imagine just the P&L. You ran brilliant companies. If I grow 20% a year and I never have to hire another person, and if you say world-class is 5 to 10% turnover, and I never have to replace some of those jobs, I can fundamentally never have to hire another employee. You could call that job replacement, which it is, but it's not replacing a current employee's job that is where they want to be that's not there tomorrow.
Yeah, growth solves all kinds of problems, doesn't it?
That's why it goes back to my first statement.
Yeah.
I love growth.